Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. The Anzac Biscuit isn't just a simple treat. This classic from Australia and New Zealand holds a special place in history and in our hearts. It's more than a recipe. It's a symbol of wartime ingenuity and a lasting tribute. These golden, oat-filled biscuits were traditionally sent to soldiers during World War I. Their simple ingredients meant they'd last a long time, surviving the long journey overseas. Today, they're cherished for their unique texture. A perfect balance of chewy and crunchy. And their rich, comforting flavor. From home front to front line, the humble beginnings of Anzac Biscuits. The Anzac Biscuit saga began not on the battlefield, but in kitchens across Australia and New Zealand. While men fought on distant shores, women at home took up their own important task, ensuring their loved ones received nourishing food. The challenge was immense. Food had to survive weeks, sometimes months, at sea. This need for durability led to the creation of a truly unique biscuit. One designed for arduous journeys and providing sustenance far from home. These women, with their resourcefulness, crafted a food item that became a comforting link between distant soldiers and their worried families. What started as a practical solution became an enduring symbol of support and resilience. The simple yet ingenious ingredients that define Anzac Biscuits. What makes an Anzac Biscuit so special? It boils down to a few basic ingredients, each playing a critical role in its unique character and remarkable shelf life. Think about it. During wartime, there were no refrigerators on troop ships. Food needed to last. The clever combination of ingredients in these biscuits met that challenge head-on. Rolled oats. These are the heart of the Anzac Biscuit. They provide a robust texture, a nutty flavor, and are incredibly filling. More importantly, oats absorb moisture, which helps the biscuits stay fresh longer. Desiccated coconut. Coconut adds a distinctive chewiness and a subtle sweetness. Like oats, it contributes to the overall structure and helps with preservation. Plain flour. This provides the basic structure that holds everything together. Granulated sugar. Sweetness, of course, but sugar also acts as a preservative, inhibiting bacterial growth. Butter. Gives the biscuit its rich flavor and helps create that desirable crispy, chewy texture. Golden syrup. This is key for both flavor and binding. Golden syrup, a staple in many traditional Australian and New Zealand baked goods, gives the biscuits their characteristic golden color and contributes to their chewiness. It also acts as a natural humectant, keeping them moist. Bicarbonate of soda, baking soda. This is the leavening agent. When combined with the golden syrup and boiling water, it creates a foamy reaction that gives the Anzac Biscuit its distinctive open texture. One notable absence from this ingredient list is eggs. Why no eggs? Eggs are perishable. They would spoil quickly during long sea voyages, making the biscuits unsafe for consumption upon arrival. By omitting eggs, the women ensured the biscuits could reach the soldiers in good condition. A testament to their practical understanding of food preservation. Mastering the method, baking Anzac Biscuits to perfection. Baking Anzac Biscuits involves a specific technique that contributes to their unique texture and durability. It's not just about mixing ingredients. It's about a particular chemical reaction that sets them apart. Melting the fats and sweetener. First, butter and golden syrup are gently melted together in a saucepan. This creates a warm, rich base for the dry ingredients. The bicarbonate reaction. This is the most crucial step. Bicarbonate of soda is dissolved in a small amount of boiling water. When this frothy mixture added to the melted butter and golden syrup, it reacts vigorously. This reaction is what gives Anzac Biscuits their distinct open, slightly porous texture. It's almost like a small science experiment in your kitchen. Combining ingredients. The wet mixture is then poured into the dry ingredients, oats, flour, sugar, coconut, and mixed thoroughly. The warmth of the liquid helps to hydrate the oats and brings everything together into a cohesive dough. Shaping and baking. Small portions of the dough are rolled into balls and flattened slightly before being placed on baking trays. They are then baked in a moderate oven until they turn a beautiful golden brown color. Achieving this golden hue is important, as it indicates the sugars have caramelized, contributing to both flavor and crispness. The careful balance of these steps ensures the biscuits emerge with that perfect combination of crispy edges and a chewy center, making them not just a symbol of history, but a delightful treat to this day. More than just a biscuit, the cultural reverence and Anzac Day connection. Anzac biscuits are far more than a simple baked good. They carry deep cultural significance, particularly in Australia and New Zealand. They represent a tangible link to history and serve as a powerful symbol of remembrance and gratitude for those who served. On April 25th each year, Anzac Day marks the anniversary of the first major military action fought by Australian and New Zealand forces during World War I. This day commemorates the landings at Gallipoli, a pivotal moment in both nations' histories. You will often find Anzac biscuits present at memorial services and family gatherings on this somber yet reflective day. They offer a quiet way to connect with the past and honor the sacrifices made. Simple ingredients and a meaningful past have kept Anzac biscuits a beloved treat for decades. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.